Dawn over the African jungle. The sun rises over the lush canopy. Birds chirp and animals stir as the jungle awakens. In the heart of the African jungle, where the trees whisper ancient tales, a call echoes through the morning mist, the gathering. Animals from all corners of the jungle arrive at a central clearing. Elephants, zebras, monkeys, parrots, and more assemble, curious and eager. Leo the lion, regal and kind. Friends, our jungle sings many songs, but lately discord has crept into our melodies. It's time we find harmony once more. Zara the zebra, concerned. Leo, how can we unite when our rhythms clash? Keto the monkey, playful. Maybe we need a new beat to dance to. The talking drum's wisdom. From the shadows, an ancient drum begins to resonate, emitting a rhythmic pulse that captivates all. Talking drum, deep and rhythmic voice. Boom boom, I am the voice of unity. Through rhythm, we find common ground. Narrator. The talking drum, a relic of old, speaks only when the jungle's heart is troubled. Leo. Drum, guide us. Teach us the rhythm of togetherness, the rhythm of unity. Animals take turns sharing their unique sounds. The elephants trumpet, the parrots squawk, and the monkeys chatter. The talking drum weaves these into a harmonious rhythm. Talking drum. Listen to each other. Every sound has its place in the symphony of the jungle. The animals begin to move and dance, their individual rhythms blending into a unified beat. Zara. I feel it. Our differences create the most beautiful music. Keto. This is the best jam session ever. A harmonious jungle. The jungle is alive with music and laughter. Animals dance together, celebrating their newfound unity. Leo. Let this day be remembered as the moment we found harmony in our diversity. Narrator. And so, the jungle thrived, its heart beating as one, guided by the wisdom of the talking drum. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tale of unity and rhythm, don't forget to explore more adventures in our book series. Available on Amazon, The Lion and the Talking Drum, the beat that united the jungle. Like this video. Subscribe to our channel for more magical stories. Share this story with friends and family. Together, let's keep the rhythm of harmony alive.